Hi everyone, my name is Ameena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Native American headband craft. First, you're going to want to print off a Native American headband stencil onto a white or brown paper. Once you have printed off the stencil, you can cut it out using scissors. Once you have cut out the stencil, you can use different colored markers to color a design similar to the one I have done in this example. Once you have colored in the stencil, you can glue the pieces together. Once you have done that, you can use glue or a hot glue gun to glue on the feathers, and you're done. Thank you.